blew our tree down in the front yard. Goes. Well, we got a tree. Thankfully, when it fell that way. And it didn't go in the road. That would have been a nightmare. Well, that didn't take as long as I thought. It's only cut that up. Now the worst part is picking it all up. And just like that, with Lee's help, picked everything up, made a new pile. We got the bigger wood over here, some of the small pieces on the back side, and then over here we have all the small, medium pieces. Just what I wanted, another doggone wood pile. You know, see all the wood on the ground? That's probably like the last time I used the chainsaw, 2017, maybe 2018. Haven't even burned all that up yet. More to burn.